I am Yustina Saleh, Managing Director, Innovation Solutions at the Burning Glass Institute. Generative AI should be impacting education quite a bit. It should be impacting not what we learn, what the student learns, but how the student learns it, how the student is engaging with material. And as importantly, I think generative AI should be impacting the pathway that the student takes. And that is not yet considered. Everybody's thinking, okay, we're going to teach a course in generative AI and everything will be great. But it really needs to be how we teach everything that is the problem. What is the problem that a student is trying to solve in any course? What are the tools? We're giving them tools, and then how they deploy the tools. And in that, whether you're studying business or engineering, the pathway that a student should take needs to be completely transformed, and it isn't yet.